Good evening, everyone. Good evening. Good evening. I think this is the place in the last class where we stopped. This is the place where we stopped in the last class. Let me know. Is audio video okay or not? Let me check. Let me know. Is audio video okay? Bro, let me know. Is audio video okay? Hello? Hello? Is audio video okay? Can we go ahead? Audio video okay or not? Verify. Verify. Please give signal to me so that I can start. Please give signal so that I can start. Everyone, please give signal to me so that I can start. Is audio video okay? So outside of my house, some construction is going on. Outside of my house, some construction going on. Hello? Is audio video okay? Logical learner saying that exactly, perfectly fine. Logical learner saying perfectly fine. Audio video okay? Let me know your opinion. Is audio video okay? Yes, can we go ahead? Can we start? Ella, can we start? Mohit, can we start? Ella, can we start? Mohit, can we start? Arab, can we start? Johan, can we start? Check everyone. Check everyone. Is audio okay? Ella, audio okay? Because outside some construction going on. Let me know if you have small noise also. Let me know little bit noise also. Can we go ahead? You feel fine? Voice coming. Some resound coming. Yeah, I don't know how much time that work will be keep on going. Please let me know. Can we move? Let me know if really everything perfect, then only we will go. Sir, it's a perfect like you. Someone is saying, sir, it's a perfect like you. Okay. Means you want to say that I am a noise. You want to say that I am a noise. This logical learner saying, logically is saying I am a noise. This logical learner logically saying I am a noise. Can we go ahead? Ella, can we go ahead? Little noise also, let me know. Little noise also there, please let me know. Are Mohit, can we go ahead? No, sir, you are a noise cancellation. Okay. Thank you. Thanks for your love. Logical person saying means I think there is a logic. Logical person saying means there is a logic. Mohit saying yes. Mohit saying yes. Ella, what you say? Ella, what you say? Ella, what you say? SG saying okay. So Ella saying no noise. No noise. Okay, okay, then perfect then. Perfect, perfect. We can go at any point of time. If you feel some problem, let me know. At any point of time, if you feel something, please let me know. So I'm starting now. I'm starting now. So yeah. So those, if anyone is not, if you are serious about GATE exam, if you serious about GATE examination, if you are not taking the EPT subscription, I request you, please take. 80% discount is going on, right? This is the code you can use. 80% discount going on, you can use it. And one more thing is, tomorrow onwards, class is in the EPT platform. Tomorrow onwards, compiler class is in the EPT platform. This is the last class. This is the last class for this. This is the last class. So I request you, all the people, if you are serious, you can right, you can join the EPT and you can make your GATE attempt, right, successful. So let's start now. So tokenization is going on. Let's start now. Tokenization is going on. So I'm writing now. Today's date is 11/8/25. Today's date is 11/8/25. In my opinion, today's class is just started now. In my opinion, today's class is just started now. It is just started now. So I'm giving the first problem. Find number of tokens. Find number of tokens. So let me write now. Int main A is equal to B plus C. Int A comma B comma C printf %d go to hell %d A comma B comma C comma D. Yeah, can you find out how many tokens in this? Find number of tokens in this program. Int main A is equal to B plus C, int A comma B comma C, printf %d go to hell %d. So A comma B comma C comma D semicolon. Yeah, can you go ahead? It is the first problem of today's class. Everyone try this. It is the first problem of today's class. Remember, tokenization is very simple. Longest matching. Remember, longest matching. Tokenization means longest matching. I'm expecting answer from everyone. Tokenization means longest matching. Please try this. It is the first problem you are doing. For tokens, it is the first problem you are doing. For tokens, you are doing the first problem. Remember, for tokens, you are doing the first problem. Everyone have to try. If you don't try, you don't get. If you don't try, you don't get. Everyone have to try. If I give directly answer, you don't get. Please try and fail, no problem. Try and fail, no problem. I'm very happy. Try and fail, no problem. I'm very happy. Direct answers are not useful at all. Direct answers are not useful at all. Not useful at all. Direct answers. Direct answers are not useful at all. Please, can you go ahead? Please, can you go ahead? I will give answer. I'm going to give. I am going to give. Can you try your attempt? Can you try your opinion? Can you try your opinion? Can you try your opinion? Everyone, can you try your opinion? How many tokens? How many tokens? Just to try your opinion. Yeah, I'm giving the answer. I'm giving the answer. Most probably everyone okay. I'm giving the answer. Remember longest matching. See this one? Longest matching. It is a token number 1. Main is a function. Token number 2. Open bracket. Closed bracket. Remember these are 2 tokens. So till now 4. Till now 4. It is 5. It is a 6. It is a 7. It is a 8. 9. 10. 11. Till now 11. 12. 13. 14. 15. 16. 17. 18. Till now, I think there is no problem. Till now, 18. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Yeah. Until now, 18. There's 19. Open bracket 20. So remember everyone. If anyone done a mistake here only. See 20. See, open bracket, double quote starting, double quotes ending is 1 token. Double quote starting, double quotes ending. It is a 1 token because total is 1 string. Total is 1 string. 21. This is the only mistake I feel students can do this. The only mistake what students can do is this only. Right? Double quote starting, double quotes ending is 1 token. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32. So the number of tokens are 32. So let me know if anyone having any objection. Number of tokens are 32. Small doubt also there you ask me. I will help you. Number of tokens are 32. Total 32 tokens. Number of tokens are 32. Total 32 tokens. Little doubt also there. Anyone don't feel comfortable, please let me know. If outside noise creating some trouble, please let me know. If outside noise is coming, please let me know. Don't trouble unnecessarily. Outside noise creating some trouble, please let me know. Number of tokens are 32. The only purpose of this problem is total string is 1 token. Double quote starting to double quotes ending. It is a 1 token. Double quote starting to double quote sending. It's a one token. Please careful. The only thing I want to say in this problem is double quote starting, double quote sending is one token. That's the only thing which I want to say. Double quote starting, double quote sending. Some people are asking, sir, Reddy sir, you are using the variables first. You are using the variables first. Afterwards, you are declaring. Can't it be wrong? Can't it be wrong? Remember, undeclared variable. So here you will get the error message undeclared variable. Undeclared variable is right? Semantic error. Undeclared variable is semantic error. Undeclared variable is semantic error. Are you getting? Undeclared variable is semantic error, but here it's in the lexical error. In the lexical analysis, there is no problem. In terms of number of tokens, no problem. In terms of number of tokens, no problem. This is actually semantic error. You are using variable first. Afterwards, you are declaring. First declaration, then using. You are using first, then declaring. You are using first, then declaring. It is actually semantic error. There is no lexical error here. There is a semantic error. There is a semantic error. If I consider this the line number 1, if I consider line number 2, if I consider line number 3, at line number 1 there is a undeclared variable. Line number 1 there is undeclared variable, and one more. There are 3% Ds, but here there are 4 people. There is a syntax error. At this place syntax error. At this place syntax error came. At this place syntax error. But at this place semantic error. Undeclared variable ABC. Undeclared variable ABC. So right, undeclared variable ABC. Sir, is sir keeping live videos daily? Is sir keeping live videos daily? Of course. Undeclared variable, semantic error. Undeclared variable, semantic error. Undeclared variable, semantic error. Undeclared variable, semantic error. So, but he is asking how many tokens are there? He is asking how many tokens are there. The number of tokens are 32. There is no lexical error. No lexical error. No lexical error. No lexical error. Right? But there is a syntax error. There is a syntax error. Line number 3, there is a syntax error. There is a semantic error. Line number 1, semantic error. Line number 1, semantic error. So careful. No syntax, no lexical error, but syntax error, semantic error. Let me know if anyone having any objection. Still, do we have any outside noise? Still, do we have any outside noise? If you say little problem also, I will stop. If you say little problem also, I will stop. Bro, Ella, do you have any noise problem? Siri, do you have any noise problem? Let me know. SG, do you have any noise problem? Mohit, do you have any noise problem? If you say little problem also, I will stop. If you say little problem also, I will stop. Check everyone check. No noise. Can I move to the next problem? Can I move to the next problem? In this problem, any doubt, let me know. How can you use variable without declaration? After using, how can you declare? Right? That is the reason. Undeclared variable error message. It is a semantic error. There are 3% Ds, but you written A, B, C, D. How the syntax problem? How the syntax matching? That is the reason syntax error. There is no lexical error. There is no lexical error in this problem. So number of tokens are 32. Number of tokens are 32. Number of tokens are 32. Let's move to next problem. Let's move to next problem. Number of tokens are 32. Let's move to the next problem. Wait 1 minute. So A, B, C, D, semicolon, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. Let me check. Lastly, A, B, C, D, open bracket, comma, closed bracket, 22, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32. Yeah, I think perfect. Perfect. So let me count here 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, right, comma 28. That is the reason. So because of in the actual problem there is no D, but in this problem there is a D. That is the reason in the actual problem 30 tokens, but here 32. In the actual problem there is no D, but I kept something extra here. So totally 32 tokens came. Yeah, perfect. Everything perfect. We can move to next problem. We can move to next problem. Can you see the next problem? Can you see next problem? Yeah, take care next problem also. Take care next problem also. Take care next problem also. Wide main. Wide main. Wide main. A is equal to B plus C. Wide main A is equal to B plus C. Float A comma B comma C. In this problem, what I want to say, finally I will give conclusion. So you go ahead. Float, right? So in this problem, A is equal to B plus C, float A comma. Float A comma B comma C. Float A comma B. Float A comma B. Printf. Printf. Percentage D. Percentage D. A comma B comma A comma B comma next one. Ampersand 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 D comma star comma star star ampersand star ampersand star star E semicolon. End of this problem. This is the next problem. This is the second problem. This is the second problem. How many tokens are there? Calculate. Find number of tokens. Find the number of tokens. Find the number of tokens. So you may say that float A comma B comma C there. Again float A comma B. Sir, how can you declare the same thing twice? Multiple declaration error. That is a semantic error. Next one. How can you use directly without declaring? How can you use directly without declaring? So that is going to be a right. That is going to be a right semantic error. So first line semantic error. First line semantic error. First line semantic error. Third line there is a semantic error. Multiple declaration. First line is undeclared variable semantic error. Third line is going to be multiple declaration semantic error. So it is the fourth line. Yeah, can you go ahead? How many tokens calculate? So in terms of lexical, there is no problem. In terms of lexical, there is no problem. In terms of lexical, there is no problem. But here there is a semantic error. Two places semantic error. Maybe in the last line there is a syntax error. Maybe in the last line there may be a syntax error. Yeah, go ahead. Last line may be syntax error. First line is semantic. Third line also semantic. Fourth line may be syntax. But to be frank, in terms of the tokens, means lexical, there is no problem. Lexical, there is no problem. Can you go ahead? Lexical, there is no problem. Can you go ahead? Someone is saying, sir, when will you say DA subjects? A few days back, I done the Python. Siri, few days back, I done the Python. Few days back, I done Python. Can you go ahead? Can you go ahead for this problem? Can you go ahead for this problem? Can you go ahead for this problem? So, logical saying that 47. Logically saying that 47. Logical saying 47. Find number of tokens. A is equal to B plus C. Float A comma B comma C. Float A comma B. Print a percentage D A comma B. So ampersand, 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 ampersand. I think 5 ampersand D. So star ampersand, star ampersand, star star E. Can you go ahead? What is the answer? What is the answer? Can you go ahead? Can you go ahead? What is the answer? Can you go ahead? What is the answer? How many tokens are there? Let's see. 1 here, 2 here, 3 here, 4 here, 5 here, until now 5. Until now 5. It is a 6 here, it is a 7 here, it is a 8 here, it is a 9 here, it is a 10 here, it is 11. Till now 11. It is a 12 here, it is a 13, it is a 14, it is a 15, it is a 16, it is a 17, it is a 18. It is a 19, it is a 20, it is a 21, it is a 22, it is a 23. It is a 24, it is a 25. So I think double quotes starting to double quotes ending, it is going to be 26. It is a 27, it is a 28, it is a 29, it is a 30, it is a 31. Next one. Remember everyone. Longest matching. 1 ampersand is a bitwise end operation. 2 ampersand, it is a logical end operation. Logical end. So longest matching, it is a 32. It is a 33. It is a 34. It is a 34. It is a 34. It is a 35. 36. And one more. There is no operator star and ampersand both. So it is a 37. It is a 38. $39, $40, $41, $42, $43, $44, $45. Check if I done anything. Longest matching. 1 ampersand, bitwise end operation. 2 ampersand, logical end operation. What is the logical end operation? 20 is non-zero, end. 30 is non-zero. If you do this, answer is 1. 20 non-zero means pass. 30 non-zero, pass. Pass and pass. So that is the meaning of logical end. Logical end will see non-zero or not. Non-zero, 1. Non-zero, 1. Right? So finally, so non-zero, right? Finally, it will produce 1, non-zero. Now, some people are asking, what about this one? 20, bitwise end operation 30. What is the answer? Binary format, right, for 20. Binary format, right, for 20. 20 means what? 16 plus 4. 16 plus 4. Right? I think 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 square. 2 square means 4. Right? 2 cube. No. 2 power 4, 16. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 power 4, 16. 16 plus 4, 20. What about 30? 30 means, I think for this 20, we have to add one more 10 also. So otherwise, what is the closest powers of 2? I think 16. 16 plus 14. 16 plus 14. Let me write now. This is 14. This is 14. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. It is the 16. 16 plus 14. 16 plus 14, which is going to be 30. Do bitwise AND operation. What is the meaning of bitwise AND operation? Both the people are 1, then only 1. Both the people are 1, then only 1. Both the people are 1, then only 1. This is. So which will goes to 16 plus 4, 20. 20 it will become. 20 it will become. So remember longest matching. So you have to take logical AND. So because of longest matching not possible, simply AND operation. Again, there is no operator called star ampersand. So longest matching not possible. Only star. So let me count the numbers. 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. It's going to be 29, I think 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45. So 42, 43, 44, 45, so 46. I feel answer is 46. If I done anything wrong, let me know. If I done anything wrong, let me know. I will count once again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46. Answer is 46. I feel answer is 46. If anyone say, Reddy sir, I am not okay. If anyone say, Reddy sir, I am not okay, let me know. Yeah, if anyone say, Reddy sir, I am not okay, let me know. Check once. If anyone say, Reddy sir, I am not okay, let me know. I hope outside sound is stopped. The good news is outside sound is stopped. The good news is outside sound is stopped. The bad news is Mohit is not listening the class. The good news is outside sound is stopped. The bad news is Mohit is not listening the class. Mohit stopped the class. He is going and he is enjoying with his friends. He is going and he is enjoying with his friends. He is playing cricket. He is playing cricket. That is the bad news. That is the bad news. No, sir, I am there. Okay, that is also good news there. Yeah, Mohit also there. Good news. So outside people gone. Outside people who are doing sound, they are gone. Mohit is there. That is the good news. One more. Siri is gone. Siri is gone. Siri is not there. Siri is not there now. SG also gone. SG also gone. Siri also gone. SG also gone. Siri also gone. Logical error, I don't know. Logical error is existing or not, I don't know. Logical error is targeting me. Logical error is targeting me. Indirectly, logical error is targeting me. Indirectly, logical error भैया targeting me. Okay भैया, मैं क्या करूँ यार? मैं क्या करूँ? Right? Total classes I want to say on the YouTube. Otherwise, if I do on the YouTube, I will become Bikari. I will dance at metro. At metro station, I am doing Bharatanatyam. Are you happy? If I teach all the classes in the YouTube, I will become a beggar. At metro station, I am doing a Bharatanatyam. Are you okay? Bro, are you okay? I want to teach all the things on the YouTube only. Then I don't get money. I will become a beggar at metro station. I will keep on begging. I will keep on dancing. At metro station, I'm keep on dancing. At that time, you don't come and you don't give money at metro also. Right? In the EPT portal, you are not giving. In metro also, you don't give. Right. Thank you. Thank you, Logical. Thank you, Logical. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Let's move to next problem. Let's move to next problem. I think we done this. Answer is 46. Just I am playing joke. Don't be emotional. Don't be emotional. I am playing joke. Don't be emotional. I am playing joke. Yeah. Let's move to next problem. Let's move to next problem. We done, I think, decent work. We done really decent work. Right? 46 is the answer. So we can move to next problem. So remember, while doing tokenization, only one rule remember, longest matching. While doing tokenization, remember only one rule, longest matching. Yeah, let's move to next problem. Let's move to next problem. Main int a is equal to 256, I nt a is equal to 256, float b is equal to 20.75, float b is equal to 20.75, semicolon, char c is equal to, within the single quote, d c har, c is equal to d single quote. So finally end of this. Try how many tokens? Try how many tokens? Yeah, make it fast. It's a very simple problem. Make it fast. It's a very simple problem. Make it fast. It's a very simple problem. Make it fast. Make it fast. Try to find out. Even though wrong, no problem. If you don't get wrong, if you don't get a correct answer, also no problem. You will learn. If you get a correct answer, well and good. If you don't get a correct answer, you will learn. If you try, everything is positive only. If you try, everything is positive only. If you try, everything is positive only. If you try, you will learn. If you try, there are two advantages. Either you will learn or you will gain. Gain or learn. Only two choices. Try once. I will give the answer. I will give the answer. You try your opinion. So remember, total float is 1 token. Don't count individually. Total float is 1 token. Don't count individually. And one more, total character is 1 token. Don't count individually. Some people, they are calculating like this one, D. They are calculating like this one. This is 1 token, this is 1 token, this is 1 token. Then I will count. Then if anyone asks you, how many people are here, even though one person is there here, I will count. Right, right, 2 nose there, right? Sorry, 1 nose is there, right? 1 mouth is there, 2 eyes are there, 2 ears are there. People are asking how many people are here. If how many people are here, say 1 person. If one person there, say 1 person. Don't count 2 ears are there, 2 eyes are there, right? 1 nose there, 1 mouth there, 32 teeth are there. Don't say total is 55. Don't say like this. So one string is one character. Character will be represented like this. One float will be represented like this. Try to understand. Some people are counting, right? Single quote also they are counting. If you count this, right, if you count the single quote also, then when someone asks how many people are there, you are counting the total body parts. Total body parts you are counting, right? 1 nose there, 2 mouths are there, 2 eyes are there, 4 legs there, 25 teeth are there. Like that people are counting. So please be careful. Please be careful. Yeah, let's start. I think everyone know. Let's start. 1 here, 2 here, 3 here, 4 here till now. It's a 5 here, 6 here, 7 here, 8 here, 9 here. Now listen, observe. Because of knowingly you kept a gap. It will become 10, it will become 11. Right? Because of you kept a gap, right? They became 2 variables now. I, nt. I is 1 token, nt is 1 token. When you don't keep gap, it is 1 token int. When you keep gap, these 2 became 2 tokens. Almost they are identifier. I is the identifier type token. NT is the identifier type token. A is the identifier type token. 12, 13, 14, 15. It is the 16, it is the 17, it is the 18, it is the 19. It is a 20. It is a 21, it is a 22, it is a 23, it is a 24, it is a 25, it is a 26. It is the 27, it is the 28, it is the 29, it is the 30, it is the 31. It is the 32, it is the 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38. I may be wrong, please count properly. I think first one, 1, 2, 3, yeah, fine, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 8, 9, okay, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, okay, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, okay, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, that is also okay, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, yeah, perfect. Answer is 38. I don't know how many people are given answer 38. I really don't know how many people are given answer 38. So many people, Mohit also saying 38, Logical also saying 38, right? I think Ella also saying 38. Yeah, perfect. Sir, in second line is I int a is equal to 256 or int a is equal to 256. Yeah, second one is I int, int. I some gap nt. See, gap created problem. You may be thinking it is int, but how the computer knows? For the computer, every minute thing also matters. That is the reason computer cannot be a human. Human can understand everything. So human, I think if I ask the any person, it is right. I some gap nt a is equal to 256 semicolon. So if I ask any person as a human, what they will do is, yeah, I think maybe unknowingly some gap is given. Human can understand, but computer cannot understand. Computer cannot understand. That is the reason computer never AI, ML or deep AI, deep ML, whatever it is, right? Maybe I think now, right? Now it is going to be Chat GPT 5, Chat GPT 25, Chat GPT 1 lakh, whatever it is, right? Human and computer, they never be equal. Human is always superior, and human and God cannot be equal. God is always superior, and the computer, right? And right, as I mentioned to you, computer and human is superior. Human and God is superior. So in that there is no doubt. Maybe you may come a little closer, but definitely they never be equal. So I want to convey to all the people, see the difference between these two. So int a is equal to 256 semicolon 1 2 3 4 5, here 5. But same thing I written, just I kept some gap. Just I written some gap. If you observe clearly, int 2 3 4 5 6, one extra. Because of that gap, one extra came. In the first line, 5 tokens are there. In the second line, 6 tokens are there, even though both are same. Because of some gap, 1 token extra came. Similar way, third line also, fourth line also, 1 extra. Similarly, fifth line also, sixth line also, 1 extra. 1 extra. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So in the fifth line, 5. In the sixth line will be 6. Similar way in the third line, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5, right? In the fourth line, 6. 5, 6, 5, 6, like that. So 3 5 is 15, 3 6 18. 15 18, 15 18, 15 and 18, right? So just count properly. 5 5 6 6, yeah, I think maybe, yeah, you can count once. And over some more things are there over, right? So below, I think one semicolon, one closed bracket is there. Total 38. Total 38. The intention is this only. 1 2, see the variation. 3 4, see the variation. 5 6, see the variation. I want to say that other than that, nothing there in this problem. In this problem, nothing there other than that variation. That is the only variation. Someone is saying that, sir, please teach maths also. Yeah. After GATE exam, I will try. Arey chef, right? After GATE exam, I will try. YouTube people are YouTube people. He will come suddenly, sir, teach the mathematics also. When I started teaching mathematics, he don't come. The funny thing about the YouTube people is, right, if I take them seriously and if I start teaching mathematics, right, when I started the mathematics, when the introduction is over, you don't attend the class. That is the funny thing about the, right, YouTube people. YouTube people are so funny. Arey chef, will you come? If I teach the mathematics, will you come to 5th lecture? Will you come to 6th lecture? These people. If you come, let me know. If you come, let me know. If you come, let me know. Right. Perfect. Perfect then. If you come, let me know. Can I move to next problem? Chef bro, can we go to next problem? Yella, can we go to next problem? Mohit, can we go next? Logically saying that, then they will ask for algorithm. Finally, they will come back to actual story. They will ask algorithm. Exactly. Finally, they will come to actual story. Again, they will ask algorithm. Again, they will ask you data structure, C programming, TOC, everything they will ask. Chalo. Logical is really logical, yeah. Logical person is really logical. Good boy. Good boy. So let's move to next problem. Let's move to next problem. Let's move to next problem. Yeah, this is the next problem. Let me write. See, this chef person is not talking. He is cursing me. I think he is cursing me. This chef person is, I think this Mr. Reddy, he targeted me. He may be scolding me indirectly. He may be scolding me. He may be scolding me. This is interesting problem. Yeah, this is also one more funny problem. This is also one more funny problem. Can you go ahead? So that one more person came. The close game. The close gaming. Important questions. And GATE exam is almost like 6 more months. I tried, yeah, the close gaming. Close gaming. I tried. People are not, by seeing the views, I stopped it. By seeing the views, I stopped it. I started the important questions. By seeing the views, I stopped it because people are not interested. I thought let's do after some time. The close gaming saying important questions when. Right? By seeing views, I stopped. I started little bit. Views are coming less. So I thought maybe people are not waiting for this. Let's do after some time. Let's do after some time. Try everyone. How many tokens? It is also one small twist is there in this problem. Let's check. One small twist there in this problem. Let's check. Try this problem. I comment started NT A is equal to 20.75. I comment started, comment ended, followed by NT A is equal to 20.75. Remember everyone. If I write double divide, comment, it is called single line comment. It is single line comment. If I want a multi-line comment like this. If you want a multi-line comment like this. So multi-line comment, what happened is divide star, star, divide. So from here to here, it will close. It will remove. It's a multi-line comment. It is a single line comment. Be careful. So go ahead. Be careful and go ahead. Be careful and go ahead. How many tokens are there? Count. Let's see this as usual. 1 here, 2 here, 3 here, 4 here, 5 here, 6 here, 7 here, 8 here, 9 here, 10 here, 11 here, 12 here, 13 here, 14 here, 15 here, right? 16 here, right? So remember, because of comment, gap will come. This comment is nothing but gap, right? Remember everyone. This line is equal to this line. Both the lines are same, right? So 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. So if you observe clearly in this line, how many tokens are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here 6. Here also 6 tokens are there. Because that comment place gap will come. Because it is already divided. It is already divided. Whenever I followed by gap, sorry, I followed by comment, it is taken as I as 1 token. I followed by comment came. It is taken I as already 1 token, right? Followed by NT is 1 more token. So remember everyone. So line number 1, line number 2, line number 3, line number 3. So line number 2, line number 3, both are same number of tokens. I want to convey this information from this problem. From this problem, I want to convey this information. In every problem, I want to convey something to you. In every problem, I want to convey something to you. In this problem, my goal is this. I want to say second line, third line, same. If you don't keep gap, in the place of gap, if you keep comment, both will be similar. Second line, third line, same. Same. Second line, third line, same. Line number, these are line numbers. Line number 1, line number 2, line number 3. 2, 3, same. It's a multi-line comment. Multi-line, right? Many things you can write in between. It is a single line comment because there is no ending. There is no ending means single line comment. There is a ending also, starting also there, ending also there. Multi-line comment. Starting only there, but ending not there. Single line comment. Yeah, I hope everyone is comfortable. I hope everyone is comfortable. Please let me know. Is it okay? Let's check. Anyone having any objection? Will comments be temporarily token? Comment is not at all a token. Will comments be temporary tokens? Comments is not at all token. Whenever comment, they will eliminate. Whenever comment, they will eliminate. They don't count. Simply they will ignore. Simply they will ignore. Fine. Can we move next? Bro, can we move next? Yes, can we move next? So how many tokens are there? So if you see 21, 22, 22 tokens total. Total 22 tokens. Total 22. Right? Fine. Perfect. Perfect. Let's move to next. Let's move to next. Let's move to next problem. Next problem. Yeah, try this also. Try this problem also. Next problem. Try this also. Main. Try this problem also. Main int ABC 1, 2, 3 semicolon. Int 1, 2, 3 ABC int ABC 1, 2, 3 ABC. Yeah. Can you try this? How many tokens? Can you try this? How many tokens? Everyone try. Everyone try. Everyone try. Try once again. Try once again. How many tokens? How 30 are? How 30? Check properly. Yeah, let's check one time. One here, 1 here, 2 here, 3 here. 4 until now, okay. 5 here, 6 here, 7. Listen, 8 here, listen, 8 here. Everyone observe, everyone observe. Variable name cannot start with the digit. Variable name cannot start with the digit. Variable name or function name cannot start with the digit. So this is a lexical error. This is a lexical error. Identifier cannot start with the digit. Lexical error. It will stop here. It will stop here. It is a lexical error. Variable name cannot start with the digit. Identifier cannot start. Identifier cannot start with a digit. Identifier cannot start with the digit. Identifier cannot start with the digit. Right? So no token, right? We cannot calculate tokens. The lexical error. Further, it don't go. Right? Please remember this. Please remember. We cannot calculate tokens because it is a lexical error. What is the lexical error? Identifier cannot start with the digit. Identifier name cannot start with the digit. It is a lexical error. Can I move to next problem? Bro, can I move to next problem? Can I move to next problem? Just remember from this problem, remember this. From this problem, please remember lexical error. From this problem, remember lexical error. So 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Those people who said 14, you are okay. You are okay, but variable name is starting with the digit. Lexical error. So one of the identifier condition is identifier cannot start with the digit. Identifier cannot start with the digit. It is a lexical error. It is a lexical error. Fine. It is a lexical error. Okay. Identifier name cannot start with the digit. It is a lexical error. Yeah. Let's move to next problem. Let's move to next problem. This problem also take care. This problem also take care. This problem also take care. Yeah, can you help me? How many tokens? Calculate how many tokens? Yeah, let me give answer. Let me give answer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Now see this one. Everyone listen. Everyone listen. Until now 11. Comment, see. Comment started. Right? So comment should end also. Ending purpose, it is a keep on checking. No ending came. No ending came. So while doing tokenization, you got to know comment starting there, comment ending not there. It is the lexical error. While doing tokenization, he is unable to find out where is the ending. Where is the comment ending? He is unable to find out. Comment starting, so comment ending. So star divide should come, but unfortunately there is no star divide. Is keep on skipping. Total program is over. It will give lexical error because you don't know where to stop. You don't know until which place there is a comment ending. Until which place comment ending you don't know. Until which place comment you don't know. It is a lexical error. Comment starting from there onwards is skipping. Total program is over. You don't know what exactly happened. So it is a lexical error. Very rare incident lexical error will come. Very rare incident lexical error will come. Someone is saying that is this English? So my English is that much good or what? My English is that much good. No, my English is that much good. Is this English? Right, compiler is going on. You came and you are asking, is this English? That is the reason I really like YouTube. I really like YouTube because right, a lot of fun is there. Someone is saying, sir, if a closing brace is skipped, if a closing brace is skipped, so I think Ella, I want to say to you, that is different. This is related to right tokens. While doing tokenization, can you help me know? Comments will be taken care by whom? Comments will be taken care by whom? Comment concept will not come until next phase. Comment will be taken care by lexical only. It is a nice doubt. That is syntax. Whatever you saying syntax, but it is related to token. Comments will not come. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Yeah, my English is not that much good, Bhaiya. My English is not that much good, yaar. Me kya karu? Yeah, I can understand. You are not getting English, right? Because we are Indians. Yaar. We know little bit. Because it is not our language. Yaar. Our language is Hindi. Right? Our language is Hindi. We are talking little bit. Anyhow, thanks for your feedback. Thank you so much, Bhaiya. Thank you so much. Yeah, can we move to next one? So, Ella, whatever you said, I understood. But remember, comments belongs to lexical. Comments belongs to lexical. That is the reason it is a lexical error, right? If something else, whatever you are saying, true, syntax error. If something else, whatever you are saying is true, lexical error. Right? Fine. So whatever you are saying true, that is syntax error. Ella, right? Whatever you are saying true, that is a syntax error. If something else, because of it is a comments, it is related to lexical error. Thanks for asking. Thanks for asking, Ella. Yeah, let's move to next. Let's move to next. One more problem is there. Please do that also. One more problem is there. Please do that also. Very less things. Very less things are related to. Very less things are related to lexical errors. Very less. One is variable name is starting with the digit. That is a one kind of lexical error. One more lexical error is, right, comment started, comment ending not there. Comment started, comment ending not there. Comment started, comment ending not there. Lexical error. Let's go to next one. One more problem. Do this also. Do this also. Main int a semicolon float b semicolon comment started Yeah, can you finish this problem also? Can you try this problem also? Let's see how many people will give. How many tokens? Let's see how many people will give. How many tokens are they? Verify how many tokens are they. Yeah, let me try this. Let me try this. Let me try this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now listen. Now listen, everyone. Now listen, everyone. Comment started until comment ending. Until comment ending. It is the comment ending. Comment started here. Comment ending here. Divide star divide. Divide star divide. See, here is star there, but divide not there. So it will go until here. You may say that, sir, this also there star divide. So whoever will come first until their comment. So it is neglected. So let me see this one. 10 over, it is 11. Longest matching. 12, 13, 14, 15. Longest matching. 16, 17. I feel 17. longest matching, longest matching, comment starting to comment ending, comment starting to comment ending, comment starting to comment ending, count properly, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 11 12 12 13 14 15 16 17 17 na? 17 17 17. Now let's go to next. Let's go to next. Very less people, very less, right? Very less lexical errors will come. There are two incidents are there, I given. There are two incidents are there, I given. Yet anywhere, if you find out any doubt, let me know. You post in the group, we are going to help you. You post in the group, we are going to help you. Very less people are lexical error, very less. At any, right, whatever two possibilities are there, I given. At anywhere, if you find out any other problem, please post in the group, we are going to help you. So let's see one more problem. So can anyone help me? First of all, what kind of error will come? I want answer from all of you. First of all, find out what kind of error will come. First of all, find out what kind of error will come. If I ask you this problem, this program, if I ask you what kind of error will come, I am not asking how many tokens, I am asking what kind of error it will produce. Number of tokens I am not asking. I am asking what kind of error it will produce. Syntax error, semantic error, lexical error. What kind of error? What kind of error it will produce? Syntax, semantic, lexical, D, none. T, none. Try what is the answer? What kind of error it will give? Syntax, semantics, lexical, none. Yeah. Now see everyone. Now everyone observe. Everyone observe here. Everyone observe here. Everyone observe here. See this one? Someone is saying it is semantic. Someone is saying it is syntax. Ella, what is your answer? Mo is saying syntax. Logical saying semantic. So I'm giving answer. I'm giving answer. Everyone see? I'm giving answer. Yeah, I'm giving answer. Can you see this one? Int I, everyone listen. Int I, okay. I is equal to 10, okay. Condition true, that is okay. For every condition true, execute the statement. That is also okay. After statement is over, go for incrementation. Whether you increment or not doesn't matter. Go to increment place. Increment place, increment. Do whatever you want. After incrementation is over, right? Again condition checking. True. Condition place always one is there, true. Whenever condition place always one is there, true, every time it will come, it will print. Again it will go to, right, incrementation. Right, incrementation again, right, no change there. Then again condition checking true, because of condition place one is there. It will going, always true. So infinite loop, right? It is the infinite loop. This program go to infinite loop. So remember, this program will goes to infinite loop. So what I mean to say is, syntax error, no syntax problem, no semantic problem, no lexical problem. It is actually logical problem. Logic is wrong. You didn't written properly logic. Logical error, which is also called runtime error. Logical error. Logic is wrong. It's not a compile time error. See, compile time only these people. These people are compile time only. If compile time problem, these will come. It is not a compile time problem. It is not a compile time. It is a runtime problem. It is a runtime error. It is a runtime error. It is not a compile time error. It is a runtime error. Because the logic is wrong. Right? It is a logical error. Right? The runtime error, infinite loop will come. So compilation time, no problem. Compilation time, no problem. Running time only problem. It is a logical error. It is a logical error. Runtime error. In exam, they will give this problem. They will ask you what kind of error will come. It is a logical error. Runtime error. There is no compile time error. You can easily find out. Someone is saying that, but right? But undeclared string. Array string, I can give whatever I want here. How can you say like this logical? String I can give whatever I want, na? String I can give whatever I want. So printing high, what should I declare? Printing high, what should I declare? Yeah. Printing high, what should I declare? Right? No need to declare. So it's going to be 1. Number of tokens 2, 3. It is a 4. It is a 5. It is a 6. It is a 7. It is a 8. It is a 9. It is a 10. It is 11. It is a 12. It is a 13. It is a 14. It is a 15. It is a 16. It is a 17. It is a 18. It is a 19. 20. 21. 22. So number of tokens are 22. There is no lexical error. There is no syntax error. There is no semantic error. Right? There is no syntax error. There is no semantic error. There is no lexical error. There is a logical error. Logic wrong. There is a runtime error. Infinite loop. It is a nice problem. Please take care. So see for loop syntax. If you see 2 semicolons required. For loop syntax, if you see 2 semicolons required. For loop syntax, if you see 2 semicolons required. Yes, right? Syntax, semantic, lexical before running. Syntax, semantic, lexical. Before running. Runtime, any problem will come. It is a runtime error. Logical error. Runtime, any problem, that is a logical error. Runtime error. Before running, any problem is there, that is going to be, right, compile time error. Syntax, semantic, or lexical. Right? Fine. So remember, if you see the for loop syntax, there are two semicolons are there. Please be careful. Right? Fine. Perfect. 22 tokens because of no lexical problem. 22 tokens. 22 tokens. Right? Perfect. 22 tokens. Let's go to next problem. Fibonacci. Int n. If return Fibonacci n-1 plus Fibonacci n-2 semicolon. Now if you observe, if you want, you can write int also. No objection. Now understand everyone. This is a recursive program without termination condition. Will this program stop? Recursive program without termination condition. Recursive program without termination condition. Without termination condition. Recursive program without termination condition. Then what happened is recursive program without termination condition. What is the answer? While running, right? It want to go to infinite loop, but stack overflow error message. When you say recursion, in the stack they are keep on pushing. At some point of time, stack is over. It will give error message stack overflow. Right? So recursive program without termination condition. Runtime error. Running time problem will come. Runtime error. So that error is stack overflow error message. Stack overflow error message. Recursive program without termination condition. Runtime error. Stack overflow error message. Stack overflow error message. So what I mean to say is there is no lexical problem. There is no syntax problem. Lexical problem. No. Syntax problem, no. Syntax problem, no. Semantic, no. Lexical, no. Syntax, no. Semantic, no. So I think you can find out tokens. 1 here, 2 here, 3 here, 4 here, 5 here, 6 here, 7 here, 8 here, 9 here, 10 here, 11, right? So it is a 12, 13, right? Let me write it. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, something like 25. Count properly. My goal is not tokens. I want to say it is a logical error. It is a runtime error. I want to say this is a logical error, runtime error. Lexical, no problem. Syntax, no problem. Semantics, no problem. So because of lexical, no problem. Tokens are 25. Because of lexical, no problem. Tokens are 25. Is it okay? Fine. Can we go to next? Can we go to next? Let's do last problem. Let's do last problem. Let's do last problem. So remember everyone. Remember everyone. Remember everyone. This is the for loop syntax. Inside for loop, there are two semicolons. If you want outside semicolon, you can keep. This also okay, this also okay. For loop syntax is this. This is for loop syntax. Inside there are two semicolons required. Outside, whether you keep or not, it's up to you. Both are correct. But whenever it is a function, inside, right? Between the two variable, right? Between the two variable, there is a comma. Function call a comma b comma c. There is a semicolon. So remember everyone. Remember everyone. If it is a function calling, inside comma there. If it is a for loop, inside semicolon there. If it is a for loop, inside semicolon, two semicolons. Outside semicolon may be there, may not be there. Outside for loop. But function outside semicolon, but inside commas required. Remember, it is a note. Remember, it is a note. It is not a problem, it is a note. Right? How the function calling look like, how the for loop look like. I want to give, I given. I want to give, I given. Now see the answer. Now see the answer. Careful everyone. Careful. Careful everyone. This is the problem. See this one. This is the problem. So actually, remember everyone. Actually, it is a for loop only. Actually, it is a for loop only. While typing, actually, it is a for loop only. While typing, right? Because of the while typing, this one. FOR, I want to type. Unfortunately, I typed as fro. Actually, it is a for loop only. But while typing, instead of typing for, I typed as fro. See this one, for. But whatever it may be the reason, I typed unknowingly fro. I typed unknowingly fro. Actually, it is a for loop only, but I typed as a fro. But computer is not a human being. Computer is a machine. It don't have any emotions. Then immediately what computer will do is, it will take it as a function. Yeah, even though it is a for loop, because of computer is not a human, whatever you written, it will take as it is. Oh, fro. Fro means there is no keyword fro. Oh, it is a user defined function. Whenever it is a function, it is a function syntax. Inside function, comma required. But there is a inside function comma required. But here there is a semicolon is there. So it is a syntax problem. It is a syntax problem. Inside function calling. Inside function, semicolon not allowed. Comma required. Inside function, comma required. But here semicolon. So syntax error. It is a syntax error. Actually, he want to type for loop only, but unfortunately typed as pro. So it became a not for loop, it became a function syntax. Inside function syntax, semicolon is not allowed. Inside function syntax, semicolon is not allowed. Inside function, semicolon not allowed. So syntax error. But it is not a lexical error. Tokens you can count. You can count tokens. No lexical problem. No lexical problem. You can, if you want, you can calculate tokens. Calculate token. 1 here, 2 here, 3 here, 4 here, 5 here, 6 here, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So, right? 14, 15, 16, 17. 17 tokens count. 17 tokens count. Yeah, 17 count. It is a nice problem. Please be careful. It is a nice problem. Please careful. I think all I done. Whatever is necessary, I done all. All the problems, please go through it one time. All the problems, please go through it one time. In tomorrow's class, we are going to discuss parser. In tomorrow's class, we are going to discuss major chapter, parser. In tomorrow's chapter, we are going to discuss major chapter, parser. This is a major one. Many problems I done. Many problems I done. Please go through all the problems one time. Today we done many problems. Please go through all the problems one time. Right? All the problems, please go through it one time. And one more, if you are liking EPT lectures, you can refer to your classmates or your friends, your relatives or your family members, whoever it is. You can refer. Every student having code in their profile section. Right? If they use your code, you will get the 50% referral amount. 50% referral amount you will get. Right? If at all, if you refer to anyone, if they use your code. Next one, right? If anyone is looking for a job, 100% job guarantee course is also available, right? So you can join in that course. If you have any doubt, you can clarify using this number. You just ping us, we are going to help you. So I want to see you in the toppers list next year. Next year in the toppers list, I want to see you. Right? And if anyone is not joined, you can join. Use this code, you will get the 80% discount. Yeah, fine, perfect then. Perfect. Yeah, see you in the next class. Tomorrow's class evening. Tomorrow's class evening 7:30 in the EPT platform. 7:30 p.m. in the EPT platform. Tomorrow's class 7:30 p.m. in the EPT platform. Right? So please careful. Please careful. Tomorrow onwards class is in the EPT platform. Please careful. Right. See you tomorrow then. See you tomorrow. Chalo, thank you. Thanks everyone. Thank you, bro. Thanks everyone. Tomorrow we'll see parser. Most of the questions in GATE examination will come from parsers only. Most of the questions in the GATE examination will come from parsers only. Parsers only, right? So that is tomorrow is the major chapter. Tomorrow is the major chapter. Right. Perfect. Thanks. Thanks everyone. Thank you so much. Thank you.